Hi, this video is about the Nova Folding Walker Basket. This is a great accessory and add-on for any folding walker to help you carry your personal belongings. So this will fit on most folding walkers, but I'm going to show you how to measure to make sure it does fit your walker. So you're going to want to measure between the legs where these anchors will fit. So you want to make sure that the distance between the legs where the anchors go are between 15.75 and 20 inches. All right, so you want to make sure you measure that distance. All right, so this basket is so easy to take on and off, and it works for both 2-button walkers, 1-button walker, and also walkers that have a curved front. So this is a 2-button walker, and what I'm going to do is turn it around so you can see it, and just turn the anchors inward, and then you're going to hang the clip over the front bar, and then you're going to pull out the anchors so they fit over the tubes, and you'll see it's nice and secure. And then to take it off, it's so simple. So I'll show you how it fits on this 1-button walker. Same thing, you'll move these clamps inside, put it on the top bar, and then you're going to pull the clamps out so they anchor over the tubes. So simple. I love this basket because it comes with a liner. So it has this liner that goes right inside here, and then it allows you to carry cups and also small belongings. So we'll just put this back here like that. All right, so I've got a coffee mug with the handle. It'll fit right here. Small items like a pen and keys. And then I even have a collapsible cane. And there's plenty of room here even now for my iPad and a book. All right, you're going to love this folding walker basket, and as with all of Nova products, it comes with their care and contact information, so you can call us anytime.